Hello! So this is my second video on Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary part 2. So in my first part I had shown only about bird sanctuary, how you can reach there, how you can travel inside and little bit other information. And in this part, that is second part, I have shown only birds. So if you want to see what are the birds you are going to see there, then see this video. And also please see my first part to get more information on Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. See you. This is how the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary looks like in peak winter time. Misty and chilly mornings and hundreds of birds around. Here you do not get only birds, but there are mammals too, like jackals, deers, nilgais, etc. The bar-headed goose is one of the world's highest flying birds. It is known for the extreme altitudes it reaches when migrating across the Himalayas. They migrate to South Asia. You can see purple herons, egrets, common coots here. These are moorhen. Eurasian coots or common coots sometimes become brutal and kill their weaker chicks within 3 to 5 days due to scarcity of food. Bronze-winged jacana. Females are larger and mate with multiple males. These are painted storks. They are huge and colorful. They mainly feed on small fish in groups in shallow wetlands. Their breeding season starts after monsoon. When the chicks reach breeding maturity, they develop red color on their head. These are all chicks waiting for their parents to get fish. Sometimes parents push away their weaker chicks out of the nest to kill. The parent has arrived, but this time with no fish and you can see chicks begging for the food. Swamp hens. I love them because of their beautiful purple color. I find them amazing when they hold water weeds in their bill. These are pond herons. I guess this babbler is quiet because it is busy finding food, otherwise they are too noisy. This is the place where you can see even Indian robins up close. Finally, the wait for the food has come to an end for time being. They got fish for lunch. those ringed parakeets which are ready to mate. Their mating behavior is interesting. Male lifts his leg towards female continuously, along with tapping his beak with his partner. They do not breed with the same partner every year. Winter is the time when they find their partners and build nests. During April to June, they take care of their chicks. We were trying to capture some birds in this lake when we saw some duck swimming weirdly in water. Confused, we stopped there. With us, few more people joined to see what is happening. No one knew. After some time, someone told that a turtle had caught duck's leg and was trying to pull down to kill and eat. Duck was struggling to escape. It is still struggling. And it is still struggling. It was painful to see, but still I was curious to know what happens to the duck finally. But then we left from there, leaving them on their fate. While returning back, the same person told us that turtle managed to pull the duck down and everything was over. This was a jackpot for me to see 3 owls together at a time. We also saw a family of Sarus cranes. And this year, for me, Dalmatian pelicans were the highlight of this trip. We were at a perfect place at a perfect time, the peak winter, that is January. this is the time when you get to see the maximum numbers of pelicans. These are very large water birds which have huge beak and throat pouch. They weigh around 15 kgs and the size is 1.83 meters in length with a maximum wingspan of 3 meters. They are among the heaviest of flying birds. This pond heron had caught a fish which was too big to handle. Fish is still alive. Heron has poked its beak in the fish and I thought the fish was all his. But an egret comes and snatch it and sit on a nearby branch. In this process, fish gets the chance to escape and finally it falls back in the water. No one gets the fish. The lesson learned: do not try to possess beyond your capacity. I love to see Savis cranes and their activities. They are the tallest of the flying birds and their height is around 5 to 6 feet. I wish I could see their mating dance, which is so beautiful to see.